Did you know some people can hear a sound that no microphone in history has ever recorded? It started showing up in the 1970s. A low, steady rumble, like a diesel truck idling just around the corner, except there was no truck. There was nothing. People in Taos, New Mexico reported it. Then Windsor, Ontario. Then Bristol, England. Thousands of miles apart, strangers describing the exact same sound in the exact same words. Here is what made it worse. It was louder indoors than outside. It followed